Hi everyone, this is Sirphil and this is Sirphil's channel. Welcome to Math Survival Kit. Okay, so in our new episode of Math Survival Kit, we have a new series which is called the Divisibility Rules series. So in this series, we're going to divide this basic lesson in mathematics so that you can still recall these rules. So you will divide this lesson into parts so that we will have some focus on the different divisibility rules of the numbers. Again, this is Math Survival Kit episode 5. Okay, for our series 1 of divisibility rules, we're going to discuss the first three numbers. Okay, although we have these divisibility rules from 2 to 12, we're going to focus first on 2, 3, and 6. So for the divisibility rule series number 1, we have divisibility rules for 2, 3, and 6. Okay, let's start with the first one, the divisibility rules for 2. So how do we know if a number is divisible by 2? A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So it is very easy to remember this rule. As long as the last digit, any number, no, any larger number, if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, that will be divisible by 2. So I have here some examples. I have here 15, 28, 34, 56, 22, 33, 60, and 51. So I want you to identify the numbers which are divisible by 2 in 5 seconds, and your time starts now. Time is up. Okay, let us now observe. So the numbers which are divisible by 2 are 28, since the last digit is 8, 34, since the last digit is 4, 56, since the last digit is 6, 22, since the last digit is 2, and 60, since the last digit is 0. So again, the number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Okay, so let's now proceed with the next, which is the divisibility rule for 3. So a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So all we have to do is to add the digits. Let's say, for example, 132. So we add the digits 1 plus 3 plus 2. So 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 2 is 6. Then if the sum, which is 6, is divisible by 3, therefore, the number is divisible by 3. So, since the sum is 6, which is divisible by 3, 132 is divisible by 3. Okay? So, let us observe the numbers here. 23, 36, 21, 91, 24, 93, 14, and 51. So I'll give you 5 seconds again to identify which of these 8 numbers are divisible by 3. Okay, let us now observe which of these following numbers are divisible by 3, starting with 36, because if we add 3 and 6, that is equal to 9, which is divisible by 3. Next is 21. 2 plus 1 is 3, which is divisible by 3. We have also 24. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. And then we have 93. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3. And then 51, because 5 plus 1 is 6, and 6 is divisible by 3. So the numbers which are divisible by 3 here is 36, 21, 24, 93 and 51. So let us observe 23. Why is it 23 is not divisible by 3? So if we add 2 and 3, that is 5. And 5 is not divisible by 3. So very simple. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Okay, let us now proceed with the third one. Okay, this is now the divisibility rules for 6. The number is divisible by 6 if it's divisible by 2 and 3. So if the number satisfies the rules for the divisibility rule of 2 and 3, so therefore it is divisible by 6. Okay, let's observe these following numbers. We have 72, 16, 52, 54, 98, 84, 77, and 32. I'll give you time to observe first this number. Please take note, the number must satisfy the two divisibility rules, which is the divisibility rule for 2 and 3, for us to say that the number is divisible by 6. Okay, so observe first. We have here 72. Is it divisible by 2 and 3? 16, 52, 54, 98, 84, 77, 32. Then after observing, I'll give 5 seconds to identify which of the numbers are divisible by 6. And your time starts now. Okay, time is up. So let us now have which are the numbers here, which is divisible by 2. The first number is 72. So let us observe. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, correct, because the last digit is 2. Is it divisible by 3? So when we add 7 and 2, 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So therefore, it satisfies the divisibility rules by 2 and 3. So therefore, 72 is divisible by 6. Another one. Oh, we have 54. The last digit is 4, so therefore this is divisible by 2. Then we add 5 plus 4, 9. That is divisible by 3. So therefore, this is divisible by 6. Next is 84, because the last digit is 4. Then 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 is divisible by 3. How about 52? Although it satisfies that it is divisible by 2, since the last digit is 2, 5 plus 2 is 7, which is not divisible by 3. It only satisfies the divisibility rules for 2, but not by 3. So therefore, 52 is not divisible by 6. So the only numbers that are divisible by 6 on the examples are 72, 54, and 84. And that's it for this divisibility rule series. On the next video, we will continue the discussion of the divisibility rules with the other remaining numbers and rules for divisibility. Thank you very much for watching. I want to share this with you, the meaning of math, which is mistakes allow thinking to happen. So don't be afraid to get it wrong or make mistakes, because it will allow thinking to happen to make everything right. Again, this is Sir Phil, and this is Sir Phil's channel. Thank you for watching another episode of Math Survival Kit.